Let's talk a little bit about your writing for this week. We had some questions last week about what your writing should look like, and it should look pretty familiar to you guys. So I gave you 3 writing prompts, and let's pretend that those 3 writing prompts are the same ones that would be on the board in our classroom. You choose one each week and brainstorm what you would write about on that one topic. So in your journal that I sent home with you, like you would normally do, I want you to open it up and you would write in your journal your response, remembering the rubric that I would grade you on, where you need to have capitals, punctuation, your trick words spelled correctly, you need to have nice handwriting, and then you need 5 sentences. And those 5 sentences include having a topic sentence and a conclusion. So a lot of your writing did not have those this past week, so we're going to work on improving that for this upcoming week. I have taken a picture of one of your peers' writings from last week to show you so you can remember what we were doing in class. This student chose to write about being locked in the school. And so if you will notice, they started with a topic sentence. If I were locked inside my school overnight, I would probably be scared because I would be by myself. Then they continued by adding details. I would lock the doors and turn on the lights so I wouldn't be scared. Then I would get all of the stuffed animals and put them in the desk chairs and pretend I am the teacher and they are the students. I would go to the gym and play with the toys. I think it would be fun to go to the teacher's lounge and hang out. I would also run up and down the halls and do gymnastics since we can't during school. Next, I would go to the library's story steps and sing as loud as I can, like a performer. You'll notice in there that they added the first, then, next, last, like we practiced in class. And then, to add a conclusion to their writing, they wrote, I guess being locked in school overnight is not so bad after all. So that would be an example of all the parts that you would have for your journal writing. Excuse me. And so this is very similar to what you guys did in class. The only other thing I'm asking you to do is add then typing it back to me. One, that's because it's on Seesaw, and that makes it easy for me to be able to see, but also at the end of 2nd grade, you need to be able to start typing anyway, so that was something we were getting ready to work on. So I hope that answers some questions about your writing for this week. It does not have to be done in one day. You can spend a day or 2 brainstorming it and writing it, and then maybe another day or 2 typing it if you want to. Some students, if they got it done quickly, went on and added another topic and did 2 journal writings instead of just 1. So as long as you have 1 done, that's your assignment for this week, just like you would in class. Let me know if you have more questions.